Hello, my name is Dr. Richa Shukla. I am an astro coach and a spiritual guide. Today I am going to talk about the solar eclipse which is going to take place on 21st of June this month. There is a lot of hype regarding this eclipse. How this eclipse is going to affect us, the common man. Everybody is panicked. So here I am to clear all the doubts in your mind and to assure you that this solar eclipse is not going to affect the individuals, because there is a strong reason behind this. Any eclipse or natural calamity affect the collective destiny of the nation or the society or the states or the whole world. It does not affect individuals. So I would say individuals are at least risk. Why it is so? What is the reason behind it? As I always say, that astrology is so intense and intricate that it has given indications for each and every situation or each and every phenomena very clearly. It is divided into three parts. First is Siddhant, second is Sahita, and third is Hora. Siddhant deals with its mathematical part, Sahita deals with the collective destiny, and Hora deals with the individuals. So, any calamity or eclipses are to be judged or predicted through the principles of Sahita. Sahita is also called as mundane astrology. Yes, this eclipse is definitely going to impact the whole world. But who is going to be affected? Number one, heads of the nations, heads of the states, governors, senior officials in government, whosoever holds the position of authority is at stake. Me and you, the common man, is at least risk, I tell you. There could be a serious threat to the health or life of a senior leader, I would say. It could be a head of the nation also. It could be a head of the state also. Either a serious health issue, or I would say even life could be at stake. And once again, I make it very clear. Here I am talking about the whole world. But yes, it could take place in India also. I have predicted in one of my videos, maybe a month back, that India should seal its boundaries very carefully. Some underground activities are run by our neighbors. And this is what came so true. So yes, for this eclipse, I am saying health of a senior leader is going to be at stake. Number two, if any of the leaders, I would say, or any head of the nation misuses its power, shows arrogance towards the fellow countrymen, or do not deal with, I would say, with the other countries with compassion, that nation or that leader is going to be the worst sufferer. Because eclipse is what? Rahu tries to show sun that your power is not the supreme. If I want, I can hide you maybe for 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever. But yes, I can hide you. So that is the signal of the nature, that don't show your power, don't misuse your power. Your power could be challenged by common man. So again, this is the second signal or indication from the zodiac. Third impact, which I see very clearly, is there could be earthquakes, floods, landslides, and I would say food scarcity in the whole world or in India also. What we should do? We should try and recite Mahamrityunjay mantra or the Gayatri mantra on 21st June 2020, or Surya mantra Om Ghri Suryaya Namaha for the collective wellness. Let's create positive energies all around to save our country and the whole world. Thank you.